Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle the webcam on your ThinkPad X13s laptop. So to do that, we're gonna have to open the start menu first. Then from here we're gonna have to go to settings, and after that go to Bluetooth and devices. Here in Bluetooth and devices menu you'll see cameras. Now here you'll see the AI front camera in connected cameras, and in order to disable it you just have to click the disable option next to it, then click yes, and this will turn off your camera. To re-enable it, just click enable right here. Now also you can use the F9 button, which will also disable and enable your camera as a shortcut. So F9 button will only work by itself if you first press F9 button and escape, and make sure that the LED indicator is disabled next to the escape key. Then F9, pressing F9 will disable your device's camera. Now let's actually check it. So right now, as you can see, the camera is not showing anything right here, and if we just press F9 once again, it will be re-enabled. However, if the F9 if you don't want to disable F9 lock, you can just press and hold F9 button and then press F9 along with it and use this key just like we did before. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.